One very important aspect of hair transplant, especially if you're doing it in the hairline and in the A zone and the B zone, the front and the mid part, is the angle and the direction of the hair that grows. In DHI, we use the DHI implanter. So that's why we have absolute control over the angle, direction, depth, density, and designing of every hair that we are implanting. So as you can see, whenever we're doing the implantation in the hairline, we keep an angle of around 15 degrees. As we go higher up, we keep an angle of around 30 to maximum 40 degrees so that it looks natural. And whenever we're doing reconstruction of the temporal triangle here, we give an angle of around 5 to 10 degrees. So that is bare minimum. And then the direction also is proportionate to your existing hair. So as it is in the mid zone, it is absolutely coming down straight. As we go towards the side, we slightly bend it towards the lateral direction. So that's how we do it. In this video, you'll see that this is the area where we did the implantation and this is the existing hair. So you see in this video, this is the area where we've done the implantation. The density here looks absolutely same as the area behind it. So there is absolutely no difference in the density of the implantation and the density of his existing hair. And in the front, you can see the fine hair follicles, mostly singles, which have been implanted to give him an irregular and a soft feathering of the hairline.